The U.S. just lost 23,000 jobs. Economists expected a gain of 83,000. This is your Xylo Markets Week in Review, and we are not going to sugarcoat any of it. The headline miss was bad enough. The revisions were worse. May and June were cut by a combined 103,000 jobs. June alone fell from 57,000 down to just 20,000. Government shed 53,000 positions. Private payrolls actually rose 30,000. So this is weakness, not collapse. Now the trap. Unemployment fell from 4.2 to 4.1%. That sounds like good news. It is not. The rate fell because labor force participation dropped to 61.4%, the lowest in over 5 years. People are leaving the workforce entirely. The denominator shrank. The numerator did not improve. Here is today's most interesting detail. 3 assets, 1 headline, 2 opposite directions. Gold and Bitcoin traded the rates channel. Weak jobs. Fed must ease. Dollar falls. Both rally. Oil traded the growth channel. Weak jobs. Weak demand. Sell crude. Anyone who assumed a weaker dollar lifts everything got oil badly wrong. Gold cleared 4,300 and accelerated past 4,350. Bitcoin topped 65,000. The dollar index fell to 99.5 and the 10-year yield dropped to 4.64%. Oil, meanwhile, slid back to 77.18. Gold. Bullish bias. Clearing 4,300 took out the 38.2% retracement of the entire decline from 4,889 to 3,942. That turns a bounce into a reversal. But gold ran from 4,040 to above 4,350 in 1 week. Resistance sits at 4,350 to 4,375. Buy pullbacks. Never chase. Oil. Pulled from both ends. Hormuz is still not fully reopened. The new route runs only 2 to 4 months, and Houthi attacks continue. But weak jobs mean weak demand, and OPEC has restored every barrel it cut in 2023. Expect a wide, violent range rather than a clean trend. Small size, tight stops, take profit in pieces. Bitcoin. It cleared 65,000 on easing expectations and ETF inflows. But look at the full week. Gold gained roughly 7%, Bitcoin roughly 2%. Bitcoin trades on liquidity, not geopolitics. If next week's inflation print runs hot, Bitcoin falls first and falls harder. Next week, Wednesday decides everything. U.S. inflation data lands, and core inflation is still 3.4% while oil spiked earlier this week. Hot print, gold and Bitcoin come under pressure. Cool print, gold can test 4,400. Producer prices follow Thursday, retail sales Friday. Trade with Xylo Markets. Open a free account at xylomarkets.com.